Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about corridors. We talked about surfaces, alignments, profiles, assemblies, and today we are going to work with corridors. For creating a corridor, we need a surface and we need one alignment, one profile view, and a project line. A profile on that profile view. Also, we need one assembly, and then we can create a corridor. So you have to know all of them. In this file, we have a surface, and I'm going to create an alignment. I need to go to Create Design, find Alignment. And change it to Road 1, for example. Here you can see alignment layout tools, which is for Road 1. I can go to tangent with curves and start drawing an alignment. So now I have one surface and one alignment. I need to go to Profile and create a profile. You need to go to Create Design, find Profile, and create Surface Profile, the first one. Here we have one surface and we have two alignments. I want to select Road 1 that I just created. I need to edit and draw in Profile View and create profile. This is my profile view. And for make it more clear, I can go to profile view properties. Second one, edit profile view style. By going to display, you've learned that how to turn off some layers. For example, we have 4 grids here, horizontal, vertical, minor and major. I want to turn off minor and make it more clear. Now I have a surface, I have an alignment, I have a profile view. I need to create a project line on the profile view. For doing so, I need to go to Profile. The first one is for creating surface profile, and the second one is for creating a project line. I can go to Profile Creation Tools. And now I'm asked to select Profile View to create profile. I have to hit the Profile View. And now by clicking on OK, you can see the new layout. We had alignment layout tools, and now we have profile layout tools. This is for alignment, and this is for profile. I can go to draw tangents and start from the start point. And I can go here to the end point. And the slope is reasonable. And you've learned that you can add cut and fill hatch on your profile view. And most of you had problem in midterm exam with this question. You can select the profile view. And when you go to profile view properties, by going to hatch, you can add cut area and fill area on your profile view. and most of you miss a point in the exam. So if you have a profile view and if you added a project line on that, then you can select that and you can go to profile view properties. The last tab is hatch, and you can add cut and fill. Here we have just green area. It's not necessary for creating a corridor, but I'm explaining that for training purposes. Now we have a surface, we have an alignment, we have a profile view, and we have a project line. I can go to corridors, and here in create corridor window, you can see at first we can change the name. I can change it to road 1. We can add description. Here is corridor style. And baseline type, I want to select alignment and profile. It means that we need alignment and profile. We need to select the alignment. We have road 1. And we need to select the profile. This is for profile view, the ground profile, and this is for the project line, the blue line. And here we need an assembly. So before creating a corridor, I need to create an assembly. You've learned that you can go to create assembly and create your own assembly, or you can go to tool palettes here, tool palettes. And by going to common assemblies, you can use one of the prefabricated assembly. For example, basic assembly. I can hit the drawing and create this assembly. Now everything is perfect, and I can go to corridor and create my corridor. It is road 1. The alignment is road 1. The profile, I can go there and hit the blue line. And for the assembly, I can go to pull down menu, or you can go to drawing and hit the assembly. And don't forget to select the target surface. We have surface 1 here. And click OK. Now you can apply and OK. And now you can see the corridor. I can try another one. At first, we need to create an alignment. Go to alignment, alignment creation tools. I can change it to row 2. And by going to tangent with curves, I can draw another one. This is the second alignment. I need to create a profile. Go to profile, create surface profile. We need to hit the new alignment. And we have one surface here. add both, and draw in profile view and create profile. I need to move it down. And again, it's good, it's clear now. Now I need to add a project line. I need to go to profile. And I need to select the second one. Profile creation tools. I'm asked to select profile view. And click OK. And now we have a new layout, which is for profile. I can go to draw tangent and start from the start point. And I can end it here with a reasonable slope. And again, if I want to add cut and fill area, I can go to profile view properties. I can go to hatch, add cut area and fill area. This is for layout 2 and surface 1. Apply and OK. So we need to cut here and fill here. Now we need to create an assembly. Now I want to go to create assembly and create my own assembly. Hit the drawing and create a marker. Now you can go to basic. You cannot find these tool palettes. You can go to palettes and find it here. Go to basic, add basic lane, add basic shoulder, add a basic curve, and we can add a basic sidewalk. And we can go to daylights and add a daylight inside row. And for make it complete, you can select that, go to mirror and hit the marker. And you've learned that you need to select the daylight. And by going to properties, you can add a minus here and change the direction. Now we have a surface, we have an alignment. We could create a profile view and a project line. And now we have a new assembly. I can go to corridor and change it to row 2. I need to go to the drawing and select the new alignment, which is row 2. And we have layout 2, and we have a new assembly. I can go to the drawing and select that. And we have a surface. And apply and OK. And this is our new corridor. And in this assignment, you are asked to create 5 different assemblies. divided highway, primary road full section, channel, ditch, and your own assembly. And then create corridors. Let's start with divided highway. At first I need to create an alignment. And change the name to road 3. Tangent with curves. And start from here. Now we have an alignment. I can go to profile, select the new alignment, which is road 3. Select surface 1, add both, and draw in profile view. Create profile view and hit the drawing. And it's better to add, after creating your project line, add cut and fill area. It's not related to creating a corridor, but it's a good practice for you. Now I need to go to profile and profile creation tools to create the project line. And I'm asked to select profile view. Okay, and now by using this layout, I can go to draw tangent and start from the start point. And I can end it here. Now I can go to profile view properties in hatch tab. I can add cut area and fill area. Apply and OK. Now I need to create a divided highway assembly. I can go to common assemblies and select divided highway here. Now I need to go to corridor. I can change it to divided highway. The alignment. The profile is layout 3. And the assembly is divided highway. And don't forget to select the target surface. And OK, apply and reveal the corridor. Now we have a corridor with divided highway assembly. Any question here? The next one is primary road full section. Again, create a new alignment. Should be road 4, whatever. Go to tangent with curves. And then go to profile. At first, create surface profile. Select the new alignment. Add both and draw in profile view. and create profile view. Now I need to add a project line. I need to go to profile creation tools, select the profile view, and by using this layout and by using draw tangent, start from here. And for training purposes, you can go to profile view properties and add cut area and fill area. Now we need to create primary road full section, which is here, which is one of the common assemblies. It's here, and then go to corridor. This primary road full section, and select the alignment, the last one. Profile, it's profile 4, it's okay. And select primary road full section for the assembly, and don't forget to select the surface. Okay, apply and okay. Next one is channel. Again, create an alignment, which is road 4, road 5. Select tangent with curves. We need to create a profile again. Select the new alignment. Add both. And now we have to create the project line. Go to profile creation tools. Pick the profile view and draw a project line. And you need to add cut and fill area. Go to profile view properties and add both of them. Now I need to create my assembly. I need to create a channel. For creating a channel, I need to go to French pipes, and you can find the channel here. And at first, you need to go to assembly, create assembly, and create a marker, and then you can add the channel to the marker. You've learned that how you can edit your channel, can change depths, bottom widths, side slope, everything. But now it's okay, and I can go to corridor, change the name to channel, select the last alignment, and select channel for assembly, and select the surface. Okay, apply, and okay. And you need to create a ditch and create your own assembly. Your own assembly is something like this. You can create a marker, then add base, shoulder, curve, basic lane, basic shoulder, basic curve, basic sidewalk, and a daylight. And then make it complete, and it can be your own assembly. And you can, for creating a ditch, you can again create an alignment. Create a profile. Drawing profile view. You can draw your project line. And add cut and fill. And then for creating a ditch, you can go to assembly, like creating a channel. Hit a marker and create your ditch. And again, go to corridor. Select the alignment, the profile, select the assembly, and don't forget to select the surface. And you should have 5 corridors, 5 profile views. And you need to upload your DWG file and take a screenshot. Shows all of them like this. Now download this file. In this assignment, we are going to analyze corridors. You can see we have some corridors here, and we have some profile views and profile. We have road A, B, C, D, E here. And let me follow the steps. Here we are asked to select a corridor here and go to Analyze and find Volume Dashboard in Volumes and Materials. When you go to Volume Dashboard, you can see you can create new volume surface here. We are going to calculate amount of cut and fill. So we need to create a new surface, and it should be wall road datum. Control C and the style should be elevation banding 2D. That's fine. And we need to go to volume surfaces, base surfaces. And the base surface should be existing surface. And for comparison surface, we are asked to select North River crossing data. And then, okay. Now here, you can see we have a cut factor, fill factor. And we have net graph and fill and net and cut calculation here. And you can go to insert cut fill summary. You can go to generate cut fill report and create a report. And here we are asked to, now it's better to take a screenshot because at the end we need 2 screenshots. One for this process, and then I'm going to change something here and again calculate and analyze the corridor. And again, you need to take a screenshot. So it's better to take a screenshot showing corridor and the panorama here. Then you need to go to row D and change something here. We have some profile views here, and find row D profile. And here we have a circle, and I'm going to move this point to the center of the circle. I can select the profile. I can go to geometry editor, and here you can find move PVI and select that and move it to the center of the circle. And if it is off, you can go to OSNAP and turn on center. Move it here and space. And now you can see we have a flag here, and you need to update your corridors. And here it says in Prospector, expand corridors, right click and rebuild that. And again, if you go to volume dashboard, you can see some data are out of date. Right click and rebuild again. And you can see the new calculation. And again, you can generate a report, or you can, by going to snipping tools, take a screenshot, shows corridors and calculation. And when you select your corridor, you can find volume dashboard here in Analyze. You can find it here. And at first, you need to create a new volume surface. Create a new surface, select your base surface and the comparison surface. Base surface should be existing surface, and the comparison surface is North River crossing data. And then you can see your calculation. And when you change something, for example, if I select the profile, I can go to geometry editor, and I can, for example, delete this PI. If I edit this profile, I need to update the corridor. I can right click, rebuild that, And again, if you go to volume dashboard, you can see we need to rebuild it again. And we can see new calculation. Because it's dynamic, and if you change something, you can update that, and you can see new results. And now you have to upload the DWG file and 2 screenshots of both cut and fill volumes. And that's it for today. We have 2 assignments. And I will publish exam score today.